trajectory of life goes a lot like this. You study hard, get a degree, build a career, and aim to achieve success. For all the hard work you put in, you are rewarded with either a steady income from your job or profits from your business. Once the money starts pouring in, do you use it wisely? Let us think about it. So, you spend a little bit to buy basic necessities or carry out your non-discretionary expenses, those expenses that are absolutely necessary. Then, you also spend some money on luxuries or discretionary expenses, expenses that you want to incur but can avoid if you really want. If you are a forward thinker, you will also save some money, and these savings, when kept in a bank account, will earn you some interest. You have spent to meet your immediate needs and saved some money as well. What if we told you that the money you saved can get a job for itself and can make even more money for you? This is exactly what investing does. It can be defined simply as putting money in an instrument with the intention of earning an additional income or profit. A wide variety of investment avenues are available, and it is essential you pick those that are best suited to your needs. Think of your investments as a sidekick that helps put your plans in action. It is through investing that you start building your wealth capital, whether to buy a dream house, for a happy retirement, or for that world trip you always dreamt of. Before we finish, a secret tip for you. The earlier you start investing and the longer you invest for, the more your money will earn for you. Simply because of the magic of compounding, or your money earning interest, and that interest earning even more money for you as time goes by. For now, spend wisely, save for your needs, don't leave money idle, and invest to create more wealth. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.